So, I'm making, lunch ng mga bagets. So, piniprito ko yung yung ham. Kasi gusto nila iprito ko yung ham. Favorite nila pag piniprito ko. So, piniprito natin. Maarte sila, diba? Tapos si Troy gusto niya ng blackberry jam. Peanut butter and blackberry jam. PB&J ang gusto niya. So, yeah. Piratok ako.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Mythics and legendaries spawn more often now.
Morning. So, meron silang French toast. Good morning. Sissy got sunburn. Oh my gosh, from yesterday. Sorry. Let me see. Let me see your arm. Oh my gosh, tignan niyo yung sunburn ni Ate Girlo.
Do you want to see something?
It's okay. We're gonna put some another
Mom, look at me. Show the viewers this.
the viewers really. Kuya skin.
Look at this. And same with my arm.
Same with your arm. Same with my arm.
Mom.
You can't show
the waist.
No.
You guys have the same
Mom, most of my body
Huh?
is covered,
You guys
and
have
then
the
like
same
it leaves
skin.
marks.
We have the same skin?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, girl. Daddy, you hear that? She said we have the same skin. And you three have the same skin.
Okay, does it?
Yeah, well, me and Kuya have the same. Kuya took all the skin.
You guys have the same
I have the same
in
skin.
it.
No, you don't.
Mom,
Caleb, you get sunburn, but then you turn to be white again. What?
Yeah, every time I wear clothes in the
Troy.
heat,
and
Like-
Caleb and me.
Kuya's,
my legs.
me and Kuya's skin are gonna go back to normal when it's winter. Because we're gonna be covered up.
yes. What if
Right
I
now,
just
we're
go-
just,
What if I just go in my underwear only?
no.
No.
Bro, you're gonna freeze.
Yeah, you're gonna freeze. Okay, let's eat, come on.
Mom,
Lucia.
water can kill you 3 ways. It can drown you, it
Uh-huh.
can boil you to death, and
Yeah.
it can freeze you to death.
Yeah.
But yet, you still need it to live. How does that make sense? No,
I don't know.
you inhale if you don't know how to breathe.
Joy, eat. Let me get you guys your water for school. Oh, tingnan niyo si Kuya, guys.
Hello.
Nag-start bleeding yung nose niya. Pero pupunta pa rin siya sa
Yeah,
school.
the third day of school.
Yeah, third day of school.
Hello, world. That's what I always like
Okay.
to say.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go to school.
Hey, your bag, dude. Ayan na sila. Press it. Ayan na si Troy Boy. Hi.
Mom, when we get to the... Mom, is my boo right here? want pizza here.
Go.
If I pizza here.
Yeah. No. Sissy, bring it inside. Hi. Hi.
You know it.
Get in. Hi.
Now get.
So, hi guys.
Good.
So,
Safe word.
hindi tayo nagpunta ng practice today. Dahil gusto kong magpahinga si Natalia. Gusto kong maaga siya matulog dahil first day of school niya tomorrow. So, nadamay na rin yung dalawa na hindi yung nag-practice. Dahil hindi naman po pwede na iiwan ko siya dito tapos magpa-practice ako daw. Ganon, diba? Walang kwenta. So, what's the point? So, kasi si Troy, Chad, tsaka si Caleb, si Troy tsaka si Caleb, nung first day of school nila, in-skip yung practice, kaya naging Saturday last week. Para daw maging rest day, maging prepared sila for the next day. Dahil first day of school. So, ganun yung ginawa ko kay Natalia. So, minessage ko yung coach niya and okay naman sa kanila kasi syempre, saling-pusa lang naman din talaga si Natalia kasi wala siyang sariling team dahil yung dapat mag-cheer siya sa team ni Troy kaso walang ibang sumali. So, siya lang talaga. So, nilagay si Natalia sa big kid. Sa C-team. Yun. So, flag, C-team, B-team, A-team. So, nasa C-team si Natalia. So, lahat doon ng mga kasama ni Natalia is malalaki na. So, siya yung baby nilang lahat. As in, talagang alaga si Natalia. My gosh. Kaya pagdating namin sa practice, kinukuha siya sa akin ng mga girls. Tapos, pagkatapos ng practice nila, hinahatid nila sa akin si Natalia. So, as in talagang alagang-alaga ang ate girl niyo doon. But anyways, eto, so makain na sila. What time is it, guys? I think it's 7 something na. 7:24 na. So, ayan, kumakain na po sila. 7:24. Ayan, they're eating. So, they're eating sausage and rice. Ayan. Hey!
Stop videoing me.
Start eating. So, you guys can go shower.
Stop videoing.
You're a bit full? Eh, paano ba naman? You eat all the macaroni except for the sausage. I'm feeding you. So, you want these again for lunch tomorrow for school? Or you want sandwich? Let's do sandwich. The Nutella. What do you think? Huh? Ay! My goodness. Ay! Talagang humabol pa. Tried it with rice. Macaroni and cheese ang kinakain niya. And sausage. Wala, ayaw niya ng rice. Gusto lang niya ng...
It tastes delicious.
Gusto lang niya yung rice with spam. Right? You want the rice and spam only?
Baby rice? I want baby rice.
For?
Lunch tomorrow.
No, we don't have one. That's why I said just do a sausage and rice.
For tomorrow's lunch?
Yeah. Or you want macaroni instead of rice?
Macaroni instead of
Okay, so macaroni and sausage? Okay.
Mommy, I'm really ready to fall.
Okay. Alright. Naubos naman niya macaroni niya. Ang kalahati nito naubos niya rin. Alright, here kuya, you can have some of these.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, because I'm too full.
She's too full.
Maybe because of her drinking.
Her drinking?
Yeah, drinking makes
Oh.
you full. She drank and she was full.
Yeah. Well, you rest a little bit and then you go shower, okay? Because since you're the first one to be done. Okay, drink. Uy, puta kayo. Ano ba yan? Gulat ako doon ah. Oy, eat. So guys, ito yung design na gagawin natin for Miss Preschool. Ayan. Ayan, actually gumagawa na siya. Gumagawa na si Machine. Ayan. So guys, finally tapos na ang ating setup. Ready na for Sissy Girl tomorrow. Okay, pagod na. Ayan, ito yung shirt niya. Little Miss Preschool. So, ayan, ang ganda. As in. Tapos, itong palda niya is with, short. So, ayan. And ito yung shoes na napili niya. And, yung socks niya. Gusto ko white lang sana kasi wala mahanap eh. Ayan, yung kanyang backpack. Hindi ko nakuha yung lunch. Ayan, so ito yung kanyang lunch box, guys. Dalawa yan eh. Actually, tatlo yan, guys. Ito kasi kapartner ng backpack. Ayan. So, ayan. Maliit lang siya. Tapos, ito naman, nahanap ni Daddy. Nagustuhan niya. Tapos, ito, last year namin nabili. Last year namin to nabili. And, ito na lang yung nakita namin. Wala kaming nakitang ganyan. So, ayan. Maganda siya kasi tanong nyo to. Malakas ang TV. But yeah. Yan na. So, papili natin kung anong lunchbox gusto niya. But maybe yan yung gagamitin niya. So yeah. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa ko dito. As in. Kakaloka. Ayan. Tapos na. So guys, it is 12:11 na and matutulog na tayo. So ito lang yung ginawa nating preparation para kay Natalia tomorrow. Oh my gosh guys, hindi pa ako ready na mag-school ang bata. As in talagang hindi pa ako ready. Kayo ba ready na? Kasi ako hindi pa. But anyways, matutulog na ako kasi maga pa tayo bukas dahil yung tatlong boys is magra-ride sila ng bus papunta sa school. Tapos kami ni Daddy, ihati namin si Natalia. Tutulog na ako. And hindi na ako nakaligo today dahil sa sobrang busy ko. So, maliligo tayo bukas ng umaga. Bago magising ng mga bata, maliligo na ako. Ay, gagawin ko muna pala yung breakfast nila. Ay, yung kanilang lunch. And then, maliligo ako. Ewan ko, basta. Wala na si Batman. But anyways, matulog na ako guys. Good night. See you tomorrow at sa iyakan and everything. So, yeah. Kaganina pa lang ni Daddy. Kami kanina ni Daddy. Kasi, diba, meron akong ginawang video kay Troy na it's time for your next adventure, ganon. So dapat gagawa din ako kay Natalia. So yun naman ang gagawin ko naman is kay ano ba to, sa Bluey naman ang gagawin natin. So ilalagay ko dito yung video na ginawa ko. So para maiyak din kaya. Kasi kami ni Daddy talaga kaganina as in naiiyak na kami talaga. As in, umiiyak na kami kaganina. Kaming dalawa. Habang narinig lang namin yung video na yun, yung sound, umiiyak na kami ni Daddy. Ay, oo nga pala, hanapin ko pa pala yung mga Bluey stuff niya. Ay. Wait lang. Painiwasian ko ng video na to guys. So, thank you sa panonood. Now, we'll see you guys again tomorrow na nagmumugto ang mga mata. Good night.